everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 3rd to the 7th of January 2022 on Monday. A drunken Zodwa had Bongani's feelings. Phumlani let Buhle stay against Tati's wishes on Tuesday. Phumlani works hard to convince Tati he has Buhle's best interest at heart. Zodwa horrifies the family when she comes home drunk again on Wednesday. Mazet's withdrawal confuses Ntokozo. Sibonga finds himself on the wrong end of Stumo's gun on Thursday. Sodo worries about how much Phumlani knows about Ntokozo. Teddy and Sibongile look for way to help Zodwa in her new state on Friday. Sibongile struggled to deal with the consequences of her action towards Zodwa. The family frantically searches for Mazet. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.